Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of our videos. I've got an issue with this Ecotank printer feeding bits of blank paper through. So what it does is, it'll have a lot of paper at the back here, say 200 plus sheets. It'll go to pick up the paper, it'll slip, it will then pull a piece through, it'll try again, then pull a piece through, and then it'll say it's out of paper. And the only way to fix it is to take the paper out and then push it back in, which activates this switch here. This printer is the Ecotank 2850, but this will apply to other EPSON printers. And there's a couple of things you need to check on this. First thing you should check is this piece here. Most of these printers have it. This piece here goes in the back like that. And you squeeze it together with your fingers. It's like a spring. And this has got a print roller here. And it's got a cog here you can move. You can clean that. I'll show you how to clean that in a minute. But the main problem with this printer, it's not this part here. Unfortunately, it's these rollers in here. There's two rollers that are of interest. There's one up there, one there. One of them sort of moves and goes against that one, and the bottom one there sort of moves and spins. I'll try and get a good shot of that. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of dust in here. This printer isn't actually that old, but due to the type of paper I'm using, there's a coating on it and just general dust and stuff. These rollers get so much of the dust and the coating on them, they basically slip. So what we need to do is we need to clean the rollers. I have made previous videos about this, but I'm having the problem with this one. So I'm going to be using a product called AF Platin Clean. You can use some isopropyl alcohol, watered down, or some like washing up liquid, warm washing up liquid, but you want to be really careful. I'm going to use this stuff with a brush, because the reason why I'm going to do that is because down there, if I can get a good shot of it, if I can show you, there is a switch. See this? This switch here is the thing that tells the printer how much paper's in there. And sometimes it's when you get this problem I talked about earlier, you have to take the paper out, which brings it up, and then it pushes it in like that. You've got to be really careful you don't damage that, because it might be a new printer, or taking it to bits and fixing it, which nobody wants to do. So what we need to do is we've got to clean these print rollers. So we'll get our brush. So I've got some like long decorating brushes, just a small one. Get that in this solution. This Platin Clean is also available on Amazon. It's really good stuff. It actually cleans and restores. Get it in there like that. And we're going to just wipe it like that and turn it. Wipe and turn, wipe and turn. I can get a good shot of that. And we'll also clean this one here as well. Try and get a good shot of it for you, it's difficult. We'll also clean this top one as well by just rubbing it. What you want to do is agitate the stuff that's on it. As you can see, that doing this is not going to damage any of the rollers, just with a brush like that. So agitate it. You can use a microfiber cloth with something in it, but you risk damaging this switch here, which I don't recommend. So just go left and right on that. I don't know if you see that or not. Just try to turn it as you're doing it as well. See, like that. And then let everything dry for a few minutes, and then your problem should be gone. There we go, see? Let's get that right. Left, right. Move it down. And then you can also put pieces of A4 paper in this, which will just get rid of this residue. So I hope that helps, guys. If you're having issues with your Ecotank printer, paper feeding, etc. I've got a couple of these and I do have this problem all the time, so I thought I'd share it. The product I'm using is AF Platin Clean. Printer roller and clean and restore. I do recommend that you use the proper products for things like this, because if you have too much of a strong mix, it can damage the roller. It can, especially if I use isopropyl alcohol, that can damage the plastic. From experience, I've got experience of this stuff, so I don't recommend you do not use isopropyl alcohol neat. I personally would just purchase a print roller clean and restorer, and then you know that you're using the right thing. We'll just give this one a clean as well, but it's in pretty good shape. Don't want a lot of this. I'm going to just get it on there like that, and just like that, and move it around. This one you could really use a cloth on, to be totally honest, but this will just get onto the rubber and brush any of the rubbish off it. But as I say, it's really these ones in here, that are the problem ones. They actually look better even now, even just clean up, but I'm going to have to just leave this for 10-15 minutes to completely dry. And it might also be an idea to just have a wipe round, just generally. As you can see in there, it's very dusty. So if it's dusty on the plastic like that, the dust is also on the roller. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try and help you. Thanks.